Here comes Rio. Hi. She's taking her lion for a walk. Oh no, now she's getting in trouble. Rio. Yay! Walk, walk. Can you walk? Yay! Oh no. Here's her new maneuver. Oh, yes. Let's get into trouble over here. Be careful. Here, you want to walk around? You walk around him. Good. Good girl. Let's turn him around. Okay, now you go that way. Here she goes. Yay! Rio's walking. Oh, box. Box. That's a box. Okay, let's see you go. Here she comes. Here she comes. Yay! Oh, coat. It's Mommy's coat. Coat. Oh, hold on. Oh, you're going to eat Mommy's coat. Okay. Yeah, that's Mommy's coat. Oh, now it's going to be on the floor. Coat. Okay, just walk your lion. Walk. Walk. Great. Oh, now you crashed. Here, let's turn him around. Turn him and go this way. Say, here I come this way. Yay! She's walking her lion. Oh, now she's going to go around him. See, now I go around my lion. Very cautiously. Oh! Go. Yeah. Look at you go. Oh, now you're going backwards. Great job, big girl. Now walk. Yay, walk. Yay, Rio. Yay. Say bye-bye. 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 Bye.